Hi guys, it's Craz-E Coupons. Welcome back to my channel, and in today's video we're going to be talking about the Dollar General Christmas sale that is going on right now, plus penny shopping. So before we get started, if you haven't already subscribed, I don't know what you're waiting on. Go ahead and hit that subscribe button. It's right down below this video, and while you're at it, do your girl a huge favor, hit that thumbs up button and leave me a smile down in the comment section below, because those are two quick, easy, and free ways that y'all can help support this channel, and then take a second to share the video. Alright, now first up, just a quick friendly reminder that I have already uploaded a couple of other DG videos for you all this week. We do have a run glitch that is still working today, so if you missed out on that video, make sure that you go and check it out. I have also uploaded the new clearance markdowns and penny list video that is going to start tomorrow on Tuesday, August the 22nd. So both of those videos will be linked for you in the pinned comment down below. Alright, now let's go ahead and talk about some DG craziness. Well, if you haven't heard, Dollar General has decided to do a Christmas in August sale. So right now, this week, August the 20th through August the 26th, we are going to have a Christmas sale going on at Dollar General. Now, what all is included? We have the gift wrap, ribbon, bows, tags, tissue paper, boxes, outdoor decor, lights, and trees. So we're going to jump into our time machines, and we are going to take a trip back to January and February. Now, during these months, Dollar General was marking down all of the Christmas seasonal items. 50, 70, 90% off, and eventually all of the Christmas stuff pennied out. Now, as for these specific items that are listed on your screen, the gift wrap, ribbon, bows, tags, tissue paper, boxes, outdoor decor, lights, and trees, the employees received a memo telling them to pack up all of those items and send them back to the warehouse. And if you guys remember, all of these items were excluded from the normal Christmas seasonal category markdowns. So moving on through the month of February, March, April, eventually all of the Christmas subcategories pennied out, and then they also reset. So for instance, we had the regular Christmas seasonal category. We also had Christmas home decor. We also had Christmas candy. We had Christmas storage. We had a lot of different subcategories under the big umbrella of Christmas items. So now we're going to fast forward to August, and here we are, we're having this Christmas sale. So you guys can get all of these items at 50% off this week at Dollar General. However, let's talk about penny shopping, because like I said, all of those categories eventually pennied out. And the majority of those Christmas categories did reset to full price. Except for one category, which I realized today while I was out shopping at Dollar General. Now, at my store, which I'm sure it's the same at a lot of other stores, they have pulled all of the Christmas stuff that was not sent back to the warehouse. They are pulling that out from the back, putting it up front, and slapping a 50% off sign on it. Now, I was also told today that they are supposed to be receiving some more Christmas items on the truck this week. So if you go into one of your stores and they don't have any Christmas items, I would keep an eye on it because maybe they are also waiting on a shipment to come in so that they can participate in this sale. I'm not quite sure what Dollar General is up to at this point. But I just wanted to share with you all what I'm hearing out there. And a very important part of shopping this sale is going to be scan, scan, scan. If you're not sure, make sure that you scan it with your Dollar General app. Some of these items are coming up the additional 50% off. Some of them are coming up regular price and will have to be adjusted down at the register. But let's go ahead and talk about penny shopping, because I'm sure that is the reason that most of you are here. So, like I said, we had one Christmas category that I can tell so far has not been reset in the DG system. So these items are still ringing up for 1 penny. Again, scan, scan, scan. But for sure, we still have our Christmas storage category that has not reset back to full price, and these items are still ringing up at 1 penny. Now, before you all click off of this video because you think that you are never going to find any of these Christmas storage items, I am here to tell you all that I looked that store up and down when all of this Christmas stuff pennied out, and I can promise you that nothing was left on that sales floor. However, the catch is that the employees are cleaning out those back rooms, and they are bringing all that Christmas stuff that was stuck back there and throwing it up front and putting a 50% off sale sticker on them. And just like the employees did at my store, I'm sure that a lot of other employees will just be throwing this stuff up front without thinking twice about it. Because I walked in today, I walked past the Christmas stuff, I was like, 50% off. That does not sound like a good deal to me. So I walked around, I did a couple of deals, I came back through and I spotted a couple of the wreath bags, scanned them, and voila, 1 penny. So I wanted to put this video together because I know that a lot of you all think just like I do, and 50% off on Christmas items during August does not sound like a very good deal, especially when we were just getting these same exact items at 70 and 90% off just a few months ago. So I wanted to put this video together to bring this to your all's attention. Don't walk past that Christmas sale section without giving it a good look over and scan any items that you are not sure of. But to make things a little bit easier on everybody, I have pulled out our visuals for our Christmas storage category. So let's go ahead and do a quick refresher on all the items that were included in this category and that are currently still 1 penny at Dollar General. Alright, so first up we have the small decorative tote boxes. These do come with a lid on top. One of them says Joy, the other says Cheer, and the UPC code is on your screen there for you all. Next up we have the larger decorative tote boxes, and again we have the lids on top. They have the same design, but they also say Joy or Cheer on the top. Alright, next up we have the Whitmore wreath and garland bags. Now these are the ones that I found today, normally $8 each, and again the UPC code is on your screen. We also have the Whitmore gift wrap organizer bags, normally $6 each, and again the UPC code is on your screen. Next up we have the 32 quart hefty totes, and this is with the latching lid, normally $12 each. Now, we did have a couple more items that were included in this category, such as the bow boxes and the big 45-gallon tote, but unfortunately, those have reset to full price. But as always, if you guys see anything out of place, if you see something that you're not sure of, always use your Dollar General app to scan. Alright guys, that is going to be it for me for now. I hope y'all enjoyed this video, and before you go, don't forget to hit that subscribe button. We are so close to getting to 50,000 crazy couponers, so make sure that you are subscribed. Hit that thumbs up button. It really does make a huge difference, and leave me a smile down in the comment section below. Good luck out there, guys. Thank you all so much for watching, and I will see you on the next one.